Hi students! Thank you for watching this video and being responsible. Make sure you follow along with your notes so that you can use this information in class tomorrow. Today I'll be teaching you guys about the visible light, reflection, and refraction. Light acts like a wave. Different kinds have different wavelengths and frequency. As you can see, the larger the wavelength, the lower the frequency. Less waves go by if they're bigger. The more powerful kinds of light have a higher frequency and lower wavelength. These waves range from radio waves at the biggest wavelength all the way down to gamma rays, which are the most powerful. This is all light, but the only kind of light that we can actually see is this little part in the middle called the visible spectrum. The visible spectrum, the light that we can see, is split into 7 different colors that make up all the colors that we see. These colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. We remember these colors by using the acronym ROY-G-BIV. But red has the highest wavelength but the lowest frequency, and violet has the highest frequency but the lowest wavelength. Visible light has some different behaviors, and we're going to look at 2 of those today. The first one that we're going to look at is called reflection. When you bounce a wave like a light wave off of an object, it makes a reflection. This is how we see color actually. When these objects, like this blue flower, absorb most kinds of light but only reflect a few. This flower is absorbing all the colors of light except for blue. Reflection is also what happens when you look in a mirror. Mirrors reflect all kinds of light. That shiny stuff in the back, the silvery stuff, is what is reflecting the image. It bounces the reflected light from an object back so that it looks exactly like that object. However, if you hit a mirror at an angle with light, it will also bounce off at an angle. That's why, unless you're looking at a mirror straight on, you don't see your face, you see something else, whatever the mirror is pointed at. Another behavior of light is called refraction. This is what happens when light moves between materials and it bends. Different wavelengths of light bend differently. That's why when you use a prism, you get all the different colors because it bends each wavelength off differently. Another way we can see refraction is in a glass of water. When you put an object like a straw in it, it looks bent because light moves differently through air than through glass and water. A third way that we use refraction is with lenses. Lenses are curved pieces of material that are clear that focus the light in different ways. You have lenses in your eyes. This helps you see. If your eyes don't work too well like mine, you have to get other lenses to do it for you, like glasses or contacts. A magnifying glass is a lens that refracts light in order to make objects look bigger. And that's visible light, reflection, refraction. Make sure you go back and watch any parts of the video that you missed. Check to see that you've filled out all of your notes. We'll be using all this information in class tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.